A 1.1% gain in PAX Gold is forecasted by Coin Price Forecast for tomorrow. But first, let's take a second to assess the latest price behavior. As we speak, PAX Gold is up 0.7% on the day and trades close to $4,601.70. Now, let's hear from the analysts' side. Tomorrow, Coin Price Forecast predicts a level of $4,653. That's about 1.1% more than the current price. Traders Union sees potential for PAX Gold to rise to $4,627.24, an increase close to 0.6%. According to crypto predictions, it may edge higher toward $4,612.11, an estimated gain near 0.2%. Another estimate from CoinCodex shows PAX Gold may retreat toward $4,574.31, a drop close to 0.6%. To conclude, CoinDataFlow sees $4,308.66 by tomorrow, 6.4% lower. This is the most lucrative forecast we've seen. That's it for the 5 forecasts. Let's move on. We've reviewed the outlooks. Now, let's look at performance data. The forecast range now stands between a decline of 6.4% and a rise of 1.1%. After comparing all 5, CoinDataFlow leads with 6.4% upward change in value by August 29. To sum it up, you could receive between $2 and $64 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility taken into account, crypto predictions' forecast indicates the most likely movement, with a 67.5% chance of success. From all the forecasts combined, I've created one consolidated scenario. According to the average forecast, PAX Gold is expected to hover near $4,555.06. Alright, here's the inside view. The consensus base case places the price 1% lower. As a result, your capital may also advance by approximately 1%. Putting $1,000 into this move could reflect about $10 in gain. So in terms of chances, the consensus outlook for PAX Gold is placed at roughly 58.2%. For the short term, let's see what analysts predict across the 3-day period. For the near term, Coin Price Forecast expects PAX Gold to follow an ascending path. Likewise, Traders Union anticipates further bullish movement in the market. Crypto predictions emphasizes a downward trajectory. CoinCodex signals that sideways trading will dominate, with prices relatively even. CoinDataFlow sees PAX Gold on a downward slope. Consensus projections show PAX Gold leaning toward lower levels in the near term. Therefore, most forecasts agree on PAX Gold taking a weaker path. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Now we know how they performed. As a result, the market settled at $4,585.60. Only 2 predictions matched the real direction. The tightest forecast was produced by CoinDataFlow. Time to sort through the results more carefully. The outcome revealed that only one forecast fit inside the candle. Speaking of ROI, not all results were positive, but CoinDataFlow achieved the strongest gain at 0.7%. Here's the performance view, showing how each forecast did. Traders Union displays 36.1% forecast probability, $171.61 accuracy, and minus 0.7% ROI. Take a moment to check who's been the most consistent so far. Now you can see how PAX Gold compares with other assets in the forecasted returns for tomorrow. PAX Gold stands out as the leader in tomorrow's forecasts, showing 1% potential gain. At this stage, PAX Gold is reviewed together with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already up on my website. One more thing, if this comparison of analysts helped you see things clearer, tap like and stay tuned by subscribing. Talk to you soon.